Welcome to the channel. This is Sami. I'm looking at the S&P 500 technical analysis for you guys, and the Federal Reserve right now stepping to the meeting FOMC meeting. This one is important one because they will be talking about monetary policies, and it will continue 2 days. It started today, maybe right now or something like that. You already know the Federal Reserve is printed more than 4 trillion US dollars, and they are just trying to make sure that the stock market is looking strong, and actually it is looking strong. The S&P 500 3395 area is that kind of level, and the market will try to test that resistance. That's the major one, that's the big one. We already know that we may have a little bit more pullbacks than the normal ones, and we would like to see some support levels to make it more powerful, make it easier to get these long positions. The people believe that the bullish trend is still going, and we will be tried at all-time highs at S&P 500 in next few weeks. Some of them telling that we will be testing right here 3400 level, we will be testing in days, some of them believing that. And I'm not expecting any kind of crazy thing out here, maybe a little bit pullbacks, and after that we will be seeing uptrend is going on. So I'm bullish at this one right now. I'm not bearish right now. I might be bearish at the all-time highs, but it is not that right time. What's going to happen after that meeting, the Federal Reserve? The Brent oil prices, we have seen $16 levels. Right now we are above $40 levels, and I believe so we got a major resistance, $44.68, just because global trade hasn't got that strength right now. Really needs to be pushed up to the Brent oil prices, but I'm not seeing any kind of global trading movements. So I'm still watching that USA and China trading wars drop the Brent oil prices. Not really bullish at this time for the Brent oil. Looking at the gold, the gold is at the middle of the channel right now. I'm not a buyer or seller at this point, just because of the gold is middle of the channel. Yeah, I know most of the people on YouTube will tell you the gold will hit the $3,000 levels just because of the prediction of the Bank of America, and most of the bankers would like to tell you 18 or 16 months we can see the 3,000, we can test the $3,000 levels. But I'm not really believing this type of, I'm not buying that hype. I believe we will be testing 1755 levels for the gold, and after that we can have a real resistance right here, and after that I would like to see some pullbacks, and we can support that kind of level 1675 for the gold. I would like to be a buyer, but stop loss must be something around like 1660, and we can see some profitable trades on this one. But the gold is not my favorite one. The silver will be, we can see the pullbacks just like the gold channel. We got a silver channel right here, and we can see the pullbacks to the $16.52 level. I can be a buyer at this point just because of the first, we can see 18.63 level, and after that we can test to $20 level, close to $20 level I mean. That was my first time in English. I usually upload videos in Turkish. I will be uploading videos in English at least 3 or 4 times a week. So please make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video. See you guys next time.